Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Sophia. Today, we're going to practice listening and understanding English by talking about the supermarket. This lesson is perfect for A1 English learners who want to improve their vocabulary and speaking skills. Talking about the supermarket. The supermarket is a useful topic because most people buy food from supermarkets. In the United States, many people use the phrase grocery store instead of supermarket. I usually say grocery store, but you can use both. Big supermarkets. Let's first talk about big supermarkets. The most famous supermarket is Walmart. Walmart is really big and sells many items. They sell food, clothes, electronics, furniture, and much more. Walmart has everything. In big supermarkets, there are a lot of cheap items. However, personally, I don't like big supermarkets. I prefer smaller supermarkets because they often have better products. Organic food. I like to buy organic food, so I search for small organic stores. These stores are usually more expensive than big supermarkets. Organic food is more expensive than non-organic food, but I think it's worth the price. In big supermarkets, I can't find the products I like. That's why I go to small local stores. Convenience stores. There are also very small supermarkets, too. We call these convenience stores. For example, 7-Eleven is a convenience store. These stores sell some food and drinks, but they don't have a lot of items. I go to convenience stores when I need to buy just 1 or 2 items, but I don't usually shop at convenience stores. They don't have all the items that I need. Shopping preferences. How about you? Do you prefer big supermarkets, small supermarkets, or convenience stores? Some people don't go to supermarkets. They buy their groceries online. Nowadays, you can buy everything online. You order it and someone brings it to your house. This is becoming a popular option. I order some items online, but I don't order food online. Supermarket vocabulary. Orterkisier. Now, let's learn some important supermarket vocabulary. Our first vocabulary word is cart. When you enter a grocery store, you grab a cart. You put all of your items in your cart while you're shopping. Or if you're only buying a few items, you can use a basket which you carry. Aisle. Our next word is aisle. Aisles are the rows of products in a store. You walk up and down the aisles when you go shopping. Sometimes supermarkets label the aisles with numbers or categories to help you find what you need. On sale. The next phrase is on sale. When an item is on sale, this means that it has a lower price than normal. I love when items are on sale. Shopping for items on sale can save you a lot of money. Cashier and self-service. One more word. Cashier. The cashier is the person that you pay when you're done shopping. In the United States, cashiers are usually friendly. Nowadays, in some supermarkets, you can pay without a cashier. This is called self-checkout. Some people prefer cashiers and other people prefer the self-checkout option. I like both options. Supermarket departments. Supermarkets often have different departments for different types of products. For example, there's the produce department for fruits and vegetables, the deli for prepared foods and meats, and the bakery for bread and pastries. Understanding these departments helps you find what you need more easily. Healthy eating. Supermarkets have many choices for food. It's important to choose healthy foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Avoiding unhealthy foods like sugary snacks and drinks can help you stay healthy. Many supermarkets have sections for organic or health foods, which are great for finding healthy options. Bulk.
Buy.
Some supermarkets have sections where you can buy food in bulk. This means you can buy large quantities of food, which can be cheaper in the long run. Bulk buying is great for things like rice, pasta, or snacks, but you need to make sure you have space to store the extra food. International foods. Supermarkets often have sections for international foods. This is great if you want to try foods from different countries, or if you are looking for ingredients for a special recipe. It's fun to explore the international food section and discover new flavors. Coupons and discounts. Many supermarkets offer coupons and discounts. Coupons are special tickets or codes that give you a lower price on certain items. You can find coupons in newspapers, online, or through supermarket apps. Using coupons and looking for discounts is a great way to save money on groceries. Customer service. Most supermarkets have a customer service desk. This is where you can go if you have questions, need help, or want to return an item. The customer service staff can assist you with problems or special requests. It's always good to know where the customer service desk is located in your favorite supermarket. That's all for today. Leave a comment and tell me where you buy your food. I'll see you next time.